The Meghalaya Cabinet today announced the names of the Meghalaya Day Award recipient for the year 2021. This year's winner of Uktirat Singh's AIM Award in Arts and Literacy is Raphael Wajri. The Patogan Sangma for Social Service is Reverend Dilseng M. Sangma. Meanwhile, the Ukyang Nangba Award for Excellence in Sports will be awarded to Hamishanya Suyang.
Award for Art and Literature, the Patogan N. Sangma Award for Social Services, and the U Kyang Nangba Award for Sports. And the names which were given were Shri Raphael Wajri for the U Tirot Singh Award for Arts and Literature, Reverend Dilseng M. Sangma for the Patogan N. Sangma Award for Social Services, and Shri Hame Shania Suyam for the U Kyang Nangba Award for Sports and Games. So these were approved by the cabinet, and these names have been approved by the cabinet.